Are you a golf enthusiast who's produced fantastic results when you hit the course? Improving your performance on the green could be something as simple as upgrading the golf balls you're using. It is estimated that over 25 million people in the United States play golf at least once a year, which continues to grow annually. With such high demand for products related to the sport of golf, many companies are launching innovative new products every year. There are many products from golf balls for 2023, each with different characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did extensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best golf balls for 2023 from reputable brands. After much research, I found these products helpful for people like you. Check my description if you want to know about the price and other information. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Callaway Golf Supersoft Golf Balls. The Callaway Golf Supersoft Golf Balls are designed to deliver top-notch performance. This low-compression golf ball is incredibly soft and fitted with a new, larger core for an optimal feel on the greens. Additionally, the patented Hex aerodynamics reduce drag and enhance lift in different conditions. No matter your game style, these Callaway golf balls give you better distance, improved accuracy, and superior control over your shots. Product features. Low compression technology allows a softer feel on the golf course. A larger core provides maximum energy transfer. Patented Hex aerodynamics promotes further distance. Optic yellow coloring improves visibility in all light conditions, allowing for easier target tracking. Sturdy two-piece construction reduces side spin for added accuracy. Improved hex pattern that enhances lift for longer flights, ideal for beginners and experienced golfers alike. Number 2. TaylorMade ND21 Noodle Soft 15 BP. The TaylorMade ND21 Noodle Soft 15 BP is the perfect golf ball for 2021. A unique blend of soft and durable materials provides the utmost comfort and control on every shot. The 15 BP construction gives maximum spin, flight duration, and peak performance with each swing. With a reduced drag coefficient providing less resistance in even the strongest winds, the Noodle Soft offers a remarkably regular round of golf with optimal accuracy. It's no surprise that this is one of this year's top-rated golf balls. Get yours today. Product features. 15 BP core construction for improved flight trajectory and spin control. Reduced drag coefficient, enhances distance and increases accuracy in windy conditions. The unique blend of soft yet durable materials gives a superior feel without sacrificing power. Improved visibility design makes it easy to line up each shot. Optimal balance between speed, spin and feel delivers an ideal performance in all situations. Approved for tournament play by the USGA. Compatible with all types of clubs for consistent results every time. Number 3. Wilson Staff Sip Golf Balls. Pack of 24. Wilson Staff Sip Golf Balls have been designed with the golf enthusiast in mind, offering superior aerodynamics and explosive distance off the tee. This pack contains 24 balls, making it ideal for a round of golf at any level. The new Staff Sip core comprises a soft but fast compression material that ensures a longer distance and pinpoints accuracy when striking the ball. It has an improved cover formulation which enhances performance off the tee and provides excellent spin control around the greens, making it one of the best golf balls of 2022. Product features. Designed to be aerodynamic with greater accuracy. Durable 3-piece construction. Fast compression core offers great distance. Improved cover design reduces drag off the tee and enhanced spin control around greens. Brightly colored, so they're easy to see on any course. Pack includes 24 long-lasting balls. Number 4. Srixon Soft Feel Prior Generation Golf Balls. The Srixon Soft Feel Prior Generation Golf Balls are the perfect golf balls for any serious golfer. These balls provide consistent spin, distance, and a soft feel at impact. The extra-large energetic gradient growth core creates fast ball speeds for even more control and accuracy. Combine this with their larger surface area and 392 aerodynamic dimple pattern, and you get a powerful distance from every swing. That's why these are the best golf balls for 2023. Product features. Consistent spin and distance. Mid-high launch angle. Extra-large energetic gradient growth core for fast ball speed and increased control. Larger surface area and 392 aerodynamic dimple pattern for powerful launch and flight distance. Soft feel at impact. Offers superior feedback. The resilient mantle layer creates enhanced shot shape consistency. A durable ionomer cover ensures the longevity of your golf ball. Number 5. Titleist Pro V1X Golf Balls Prior Generation. 1 dozen. The Titleist Pro V1X Golf Balls Prior Generation offers the best golf ball performance. With its formulated 4-piece construction and new spherically tiled 342 dimple design, this is the ideal ball for avid golfers looking for a long distance, low spin off the driver, and a great feel into and around the green. The proprietary cover material helps approach shot control and spin, creating a ball that performs best across all swing speeds, so you can play at your peak level. Product features. 4-piece construction for increased distance with maximum spin control. Spherically tiled 342 dimples. Reduced drag for higher lift forces. Reducing dispersion. Formulated cover material. Increases the power of short game shots. Long length with consistent flight off of tee shots. Incredibly soft feel on approach shots into greens. Urethane elastomer formulation. Provides excellent greenside spin control. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel. If you need more information or want to know the product price, check out my description. For any problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our excellent products, making your life much easier.